Alright, hello, how are you guys? It's Senzokaya Kambule, the only son of the Kambules from Imifanekiso, and tonight I am doing a shoot again. I'm with Cheryline. Alright, we're about to move the streets and shake the internet. Are you ready, girl?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Good. Alright, the people really want to know, who are you?
Okay, I'm Cheryline from Louw, and I am also a video vixen as well as a model.
Alright, that's Cheryline. Alright, and do you see some behind the scenes? Obviously, I will take some few shots showing some moves and what we're gonna be doing tonight, because it's gonna get lit and it's gonna get bit better. Because you can see she's ready. Are you ready for this? Alright, I hear you are moving from Devon to Pretoria. Why are you moving from Devon? It's such a nice city. We got the beach here, we got the vibe. I mean, why Pretoria?
Bigger and better things, I guess.
So she's saying we are a small city. There she says it's alright. Let's see if Devon can provide the best images. Because she's going to Pretoria, I'm sure there's gonna be more gigs. You're gonna attend more vibe there. Obviously, you're gonna meet more people, and we're really looking forward to it. Alright, cool. You say you're ready, right?
Ready.
Alright, let's wrap it up with an interview, and then do check our YouTube channel. It's Imifanekiso. Check our Facebook page, Imifanekiso. On Instagram, it's Imifanekiso_magazine. And do see the photos on the models page. What are your Instagram handles?
My Instagram handle is Cheryline Louw _Cheryline Louw.
Alright, I think I will have to put that underneath for the description. People might wanna write that right and the spelling to get it perfect. Alright, do follow her up. You will see the amazing pictures of her previous shoots, because we've worked before, and tonight we are working once again. And I told you it's Senzokaya Kambule and Cheryline. We are shooting. Cheers. Bye bye.